alone. Focus as you are and make us proud. Hence, I love you, don't like you. I think I weigh the two, so you'll choose which one you like. But I think love is the best and the most precious things. You are loved. And I'm going to pass the message to even my seniors to say, I met beautiful people, organized and disciplined, in the early morning of Saturday, bringing themselves together as a meeting of minds, deciding to map a better, even deeper future for our children and our country. I hope I've made my point, and I did not talk about voting the ANC, because how do I say that? How do I say that to the converted? Those that should actually be telling me. Thank you very much.
Now, thank you so much to the Executive Mayor of Mangaung Metropolitan Municipality. Councillor, indeed, you are good with words. All right, as the Free State Department of Education, we made the clarion call to raise the bar, to close the gap, and support learners in all grades. Now, indeed, haile hantle re hlwa mekwalaba re kwala dikgeo ebile re tsheetsa barutwana dihlopheng tsohle. Now, the question you will ask is, how did we make it? How did we make it to number 2 in the country? How did we make it to number 1 for 2 consecutive years, MEC, in the province? Ladies and gents, for the next 3 minutes, please indulge me and fix your eyes to the screen such that we can clearly tell you the story of how did we make it in 2023. And this is the journey that we traveled.